Welcome to the Space Savvy Gardeners. Today we are diving into the world of vines that thrive in the small spaces. Whether you have got a tiny balcony or a cozy patio, these compact vines will transform your limited space into a lush green oasis. So let's get started.